Time for another happy studying session with Mometrix Academy. Hi, welcome to this video lesson on word problems that involve median and mean. Often we're intimidated by questions that involve doing two types of data interpretation, especially if they're word problems. Today though, we're going to learn how to approach a question that does both a median interpretation and an average interpretation. I know it sounds scary right now, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. A company boasts that its mean, or average, starting salary is $61,000. Below is a list of the starting salaries on which the company based its claim. Determine what an astute job seeker should inquire about when presented with a mean salary figure. Okay, as usual, let's break down this word problem into two parts if we can. Part 1 talks about how a company is saying it's great because its mean or average starting salary is $61,000. What's nice is that the work is already done for us here because it tells us the mean and then tells us all the wages. So what are we supposed to do then? Well, that's part 2. The second part of this question tells us to figure out what someone should ask about given the average starting salary. This is tricky because it doesn't explicitly tell us to do anything. It just tells us to find what question a job seeker should ask. It's very broad. Let's look at the data for a second. Do you notice anything about these different salaries, especially as they relate to the average of $61,000? Most of the salaries seem to be lower than the average, by quite a bit. What the creators of the problem want us to do then is to find what question a person who might be starting at this company should ask instead of what's your average salary. What we should ask is, what is the median salary? Remember, the median is the middle item in a set. In this case, we want to know what the middle salary is because the average is so deceiving. So we see that we have 11 salaries. What's the median? Well, the middle number is $49,000. This is important to the job seeker because the median starting salary is a better indicator of the salary that can be expected, since this will not be inflated by salaries that are much higher or lower than the average. The median salary in this case is $49,000. This is likely to be closer to the starting salary of an average employee. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching this video lesson, and until next time, happy studying.